Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the distance for general warnings in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the warnings button. And then click on the road signs button. And once you enable the road signs section, you can click on the general warnings button. And if you click on the distance button and start dragging the white circle back and forth, you can set the distance. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.